Okay, let's finish up with the with binomials. If you haven't watched the first video, go ahead and do that. It gives us a good book example. On this one, we have this is a quiz from last year. We had a coin flip. What's the probability of a coin being flipped heads and it happening 4 times in a row? And with this one, we just had some simple percentages that came out of this. The chances of those 4, every time we flipped a coin, we had 16 possibilities with the 4 coin flips. 50% of the time we'd have a pass, 50% would be a fail. What are the percentages that we would have no heads, 1 head, 2 head, 3 heads, or 4? And you can see all those percentages on there, and the power of the binomial theorem and how it can help us predict the probability of something happening. Okay, in the last video we talked about a problem where we have a scenario and we want to solve that. A little more complex than coin flips or dice rolls. Here we have a free throw shooter. Normally their statistically they make 80% of their shots. We want to know in a game, if they have that kind of a percentage, what are the chances of them hitting all 6? So we know the free throw percentage is going to be a 0.8. We get that from right here, 80%. The total amount of free throws, we know that's 6. They make 6. The P is for pass, that means they did it. And we know that they have no fails here, no fails. All right, if we set up our equation that we had from last time, the combination, and then that's going to be times our pass rate, and then how many passes they had. Pass rate we're going to get from here, that's their statistical pass rate. And then that's multiplied by their fail rate and how many times that happened. In this case, it's going to be a 0. It's going to be 6 minus 6, which equals 0. All right, down here, we have 6 total, we have 6 passes, and now our equation is set up ready to go. If we know our combination theorem's real good, we know that a combination 6-6 is going to give us an answer of 1. I got my calculator up here. Let me just get it processed. We can come up to this calculator here, and we can see that we could do that and get a 1 there to get our answer. So we know this is a 1, so let me just cross that out, put a 1 there. We also know that no matter what this is, it's going to be 0.2. The F is going to be 0.2, but anything to the 0 power is also going to be 1. So those two things come out, and all we really need is our pass rate to the 6th power on this one. This one's pretty easy. The one that you're going to have to do is a little more complicated, but it's got the same idea. You set up the equation. Like I said, in this one I want to do something quick and easy and get on with it. Like I said, this one will take you a little bit longer. Look at the other example and this one to know how to do it. Let's just finish this one off so we're all done. Our pass rate from statistics is 0.8. We hit all 6, so that's all we need. We put that in our calculator. All right, so we have 0.8 to the 6th power, and 26.2% of the time, I get that on there, 26.2, an 80% foul throw shooter will hit 6 out of 6. There's our answer. All right, please send me your answer by remind after you do this one here. The percentage is right there. That's their statistical percentage from shooting 3-pointers. How many what are the chances of them getting 6 out of 8? I'm looking for an answer as a percentage. All right, talk to you soon.